The face of homelessness is not always the unshaven man sleeping on the sidewalk in the winter. In many Montana communities, the face of homelessness increasingly belongs to a child living in an RV with their family all year long. In our continued Spirit of Giving coverage, one Missoula organization is helping to empower our homeless youth. Seven Hobbs has many titles: dad, uncle, grandpa. Along with his 17-year-old daughter, Hobbs cares for his 10-year-old nephew and 2-year-old grandson.
So I did pretty good, and then all of a sudden, shock of, oh man, my income, the hours aren't working out. I had to change jobs. I had to change my address.
Hobbs and the children became a family in transition.
So there was a moment there where I was literally living in my RV.
Knowing he needed help, he turned to his nephew's public school and was immediately introduced to the Families in Transition coordinator.
We're seeing a lot of families this year that are unsheltered. They're in their cars or they're in their campers.
Trish Kirsten has been the Families in Transition district liaison for Missoula County Public Schools for nearly 5 years. In that time, she's seen the number of homeless children and teens climb.
We had large numbers last year. We had 510 kids qualified last year because of the fires and because of the floods.
The school year before, 438 students. This year, Kirsten says 287 students qualified for the Families in Transition program. She knows that number will only rise before the school year ends, so she's always working to identify homeless youth.
Is a student kind of hoarding their backpack because that's where their whole life is right now? Is a student coming into school unbathed, unshowered, inappropriately dressed for the weather?
Finding those students at an early age, Kirsten says, is key to getting them and their families support. In the school, that includes providing school supplies and backpacks, coats and boots, and distributing weekend snack packs. In the community, connecting them with social services to provide stable housing, jobs, and health care.
It just really kind of works as a whole system to help the families.
And when the needs of the family are met, she says, the children are empowered to stay in school.
The kids were able to benefit because of all the things that I was able to receive from them. If I didn't have that in my life, it would have been a much harder struggle to just make things normal.
And thanks to Families in Transition, Hobbs is looking forward to his new normal this holiday season, one of being a family of stability.
Looking forward to just being settled into a warm and safe environment for the kids for the winter and for the season. It's going to be a great Christmas.
Now, there are countless ways that you can give to the Families in Transition program, from donating new or gently used clothing to making financial offerings. Just head to our website, abcfoxmontana.com, to see how you can participate in the Spirit of Giving.